Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And to add a video file, tap on it right away. Sorry, that's a photo. Or just click on Gallery section on the left. Now you can pick your video from here by tapping on it and selecting Add at the top right corner. You can also select folders and look for your video over here. In order to do it, click on Videos filter at the top, select one of those apps, or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of those sources. Wherever you decided, when you're done, just hold your video and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. In order to add an audio file though, you need to create it and add it right away. Just click on this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then record your message, and in order to discard it, slide to the left. If you wish to add it, just let go when you're ready. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!